Hi, and welcome to Jamie G TV, the place to be for mind, body, and spiritual fabulousness. Here I offer simple solutions to feel vital, sexy, and fit over 50. If this is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing. So today it's all about goal setting. I know during these kind of crazy times we feel a little bit lost and we don't know what ends up and how long we're going to have to be in our house and what's going on. But something that does, I will tell you, that helps you get through it is to have some type of goal in mind. Maybe there was something that you had wanted to accomplish before this happened. Is there any way that you can work toward that dream of yours? Okay. Think about it, meditate on it, journal on it, try to decide if there's something that you want to work on, and then plan, schedule, and try to follow through on achieving it. So when you're coming up with goals, the secret is to use something called the acronym SMART goals, which I'm sure you've heard of. It means specific, measurable, right? Achievable, realistic, and time-bound. I even did my little chart back here for you, which I don't think you can see, but specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. Okay. So specific just means that you don't want to say, I feel like getting in shape. You might want to say, I feel like my goal is to be able to walk a mile in 15 minutes. That would be a very specific goal. And it'll also be very measurable, right? You could see, did I achieve that? Well, 15 minutes, did I make a mile? Yeah, I achieved it. You can measure it, right? And you can adjust accordingly if you did not. An achievable goal, let's say you have never walked a mile in 15 minutes and you say to yourself, well, you know what, I want to run a marathon in under 4 hours. Well, that's certainly not something that would be achievable anytime soon, if that was your case, right? That's something you'd have to work toward, may not even be possible at all, right? Yeah. So, but that's something else. So think about it. How realistic are you, right? So SMART, measurable, achievable, realistic. Realistic. How realistic are you, right? You know, it's very realistic to say, I want to do a mile in 15 minutes, and say I want to do 2 miles maybe in 28 minutes. That's realistic, right? Shortening it up a little bit. Time bound, the T stands for time bound or timely, and of course that means that you have a set date, set time for you to achieve it. I know if I don't do something like that, it can just go, oh my goodness, 6 months goes by and it doesn't get done. So I highly recommend having some type of timetable. Of course, all this can be adjusted. That is the joy, right? So you can say, oh, I know I need another week, or, oh, I did that faster, right? I can go on to something else and change my goal. Anyway, so that's some thoughts for you today. I think it's really important, especially as we are in midlife and beyond, that we keep ourselves feeling like we have a purpose and we are motivated to stay vital and happy and healthy, and our mind thinking, and a part of that is having goals. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much for watching Jamie G TV, and I will see you next time.